Hello, hello everybody. Welcome back. It's Switch here. It's going to be like super fast video. I'm like super cold. First I just done the buff. 15 minutes in the cold buff. So always doing that on Sunday for the regeneration purpose and also to boost our mental strength as well. I think it's more about to be able to jump into that water just mentally. You just need to be prepared mentally and not just prepared, just, well, basically you need to sit over there 50 minutes, right? So it's not really about how tough you are or big you are, or it's just all about the mentality. Anyway, so this video super short. Last Saturday I've done 2 hours cardio and I just made the small post here. I'm not going to read this because there is no point. I will just explain what I want to explain and that's it. So on the watch we see the time and 2 hours. The calories doesn't really matter. What's the matter is the time. So the duration of the workout was 2 hours. Was in the moderation. Was a moderation workout. So I was, as you can see, aerobic mode, but the general idea is to be on that green frame, we can call it. So then we are basically burning fat efficiently. So in other words, this is the kind of the workout which we're just using the 75% of our heart rate, which means, in other words, we're not really tired. We are able to breathe properly, which leads to burning the calories efficiently, well, fat. So yeah, that's the proper way. Actually I wrote down a little bit about this. I thought I said I'm not going to read this, but I might read. Finish my 2 hours cardio session for today. Just want to write down some posts for the future reference. Yeah. So as you might know, yeah, actually I was cutting from 85 to 74, believe it or not. That was a week ago. It was a week ago or 2 weeks ago. I'm already like 5 kilos down. I'm already like 80. And I'm actually considering myself to not really going to 70, but just going to 90. But I don't know what's going to happen. But I know for a fact I'm working out 6 days in the week. So something going to happen. Despite the fact I might not cut my weight, I probably will be looking very well. Anyway, I'm feeling very well right now at the moment. So I'm not really counting the calories. I just stopped just eating whatever I like. But what's the goal, what's the idea for this video? So basically my stationary bike is the Reebok GB40S. I reckon every Reebok bike have the same load on them. They just max load is 32 and my exercise was done on the 26. So I reckon it doesn't really matter what brand of the stationary bike you are using, as long as you will set up on 32, you will be on max on my stationary bike. So what I'm trying to say, that's the thing. I don't know what the other brands have the max load, but nevertheless, my workout was done on the 26. So I've done 2 hours on 26, and for this video, what I want to say. Do I need to be prepped a special way to do the 2 hours workout at home on a stationary bike? No, you don't need to be prepared at all. You can be like super out of the shape as long as you are able to set up your heart rate properly to your body. So you need to count basically your heart rate. You need to make sure you're doing your workout on the 75%. And I've done the vlog about this. So if somebody wanna read about this, I explain, and also I put the source where did that came from. So you can just go to my site. It's over here, and then we're just gonna jump to my vlog over there, and on the left side, we can see the supplements list. So this is the supplements which I'm using. Pretty much everything from the Amazon, and pretty much everything is like super extra cheap because The supplementation don't need to be expensive. I'm talking about the vitamin C, Himalite salt, which is like super important, and that's like the most important part to making the cardio workout, or any kind of the workout, to be honest though. But so just gonna jump to the Himalite salt. Obviously there's like an article I just wrote down over there, quite a lot. Then obviously if you wish to support me, you can buy, if you will read through the Himalite salts I'm using both, and then we'll just go to the Amazon, obviously, if you want to buy it. If not, that's okay. And on my website you can jump into, on the right corner here, cardio and heart rate monitor, and I explain it here. It's this article, it's not super long. I even have the YouTube video, but it's not quite long. Also, I put the supplementation because I explained I had some issue with my knee. Well, issue, actually I torn apart the ligaments 8 years ago. So cardio and heart monitor. So I put the source. The source is Burn the Fat, Feed the Muscles by Tom Venuto, and you can click that and that will go to the Amazon as well. That's the book which I read several times in English, in Polish as well, because I'm from Poland, by the way. So if you really want to be like, if you really want to access like super powerful knowledge to burn the fat basically and build the muscle, that's what that means, feed the muscle, you will have like lots of good stuff here to read, to apply. And that's where I get from the pattern how to count the cardio intensity formula. And you have explained everything here. So you just can just read this through, and then pretty much max heart rate is 220, and you're just doing minus your age, whatever your age is, and then you just basically times the 70 or 75%, and the amount which is going to be, you will see on your heart rate monitor. So let's say your heart rate is need to be 140, so you can wear the watch, or you can wear actually the heart rate monitor, which is like the belt on the chest. If you will go to my video, or I can press here.
Yo, hello everybody, welcome
a little
back.
bit naked here with
like super important.
So as you can see on the video, maybe I'm actually wearing the strap. Where is my banner? So yeah. And no way I have this banner because nobody will know what's that all about anyway. So, but I might mention something. If you will use the ref link below, it's going to jump to the Wealthy Affiliates website, and this website is all about to be able to make free websites like I have right now, and you don't have to pay anything at all. So that's pretty much like just the beginning of the Wealthy Affiliates, because later on, if you want to buy the premium, you are be able to do the professional hosting, which is going to be .com, and then you'll be able to do free websites instead of one, and then they will teach you to how to professionally affiliate the products. For on my website, I have some affiliation, but that's not what they're trying to teach you. That will be like a professional approach if you want to create some business around this. Right now, I'm just free user anyway, because I'm fine with creating my vlog. So pretty much that's it for this video. I will write down the article, and I will do this on the right side. As you can see, I have 10 minutes workouts, 25 minutes workouts, like workouts, and I will just add 2 hours of the cardio. Cardio on the stationary bike, you don't really need to be prepared. All what you need to do is you just need, as you can see, I have the water bottle here, and just water bottle with the Himalite salt, 5 grams of Himalite salt, and that's it for 2 hours cardio. And every 20 minutes you're just taking 1 sip of this. You don't need to eat anything before, you don't need to eat anything during the workout, you don't need to eat just straight after. Obviously, if you're hungry and you like to, you can. But the whole idea is just you can maintain 2 hours on the stationary bike and just take it 20 minutes, a sip of the Himalite salt with the water. And this picture here and explanation over there is actually I done yesterday 4 hours cardio, and that's a different story though. So actually write down a little bit about this, and that's going to be on the next video. So stay tuned for this one if you want to see, and we'll just explain a little bit more about the 4 hours cardio. But for the 2 hours cardio, you just need to understand how to do the proper cardio in the first place. So you can jump to my website. You can go to obviously the link, which is going to be cardio and heart rate monitor, and you will have explained everything here, what you need to know before you will start your workout, and then you will understand how easy it is to do 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, or even 10 hours workout if you obviously have a time and you are fancy to do so. So with that being said, thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care and bye for now. And remember, doing this with the stationary bike is really healthy for your joints and knees. So if you had some issue before, like I had some major injury with my knee, definitely it's super good way to stay healthy and to not damage your body any further or any at all. So yeah, one more time, thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care and bye for now.